Hello guys, good morning, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, another sexy lingerie ang ating haul and review for today. So without further ado, let's begin. So this is my new collection for today. Look at this. Ang ganda. Nice. The color is so attractive. Match na match yung kanyang combination black and red. Nice quality. Look at this. This is a tong panty. G-string tong panty po ito. The sewing is so good. Naku, nice. Ganda ng quality niya, oh. Kahit dito sa ating body. At tingnan mo naman. The material is cool na cool po siya. Very cool po. Yun lang, may counting damage to dito. Pero it's okay. And the crotch is so perfect. Safe na safe yung ating private part kasi talagang di ka makikitaan. Very nice. Kaya lang, ipit-ipit din kasi very tiny yung ating cross kaya wag bubuka-buka ka. May ganun talaga. So, the quality is good. The style so nice. So good and sexy. Look at this. Very, very nice style. Look at that. And this is a back view. Tong panty po ito kaya doon sa mga may almo, sorry na lang. Susunod na lang tayo kapag meron tayong pwede. Pero kung kaya naman ng inyong power, it's okay. Go ahead. Ayan o, ang ganda talaga nito. Very, very nice quality product. Look at this. So sexy. This is a front view. And this is a back view. So, ito po ay very affordable because ano lang po ito, 124 pesos kasama na ang shipping payment. Dalawa po sila. Dalawa po ito. So, nice. Good talaga siya. So, okay dahil very affordable. Good naman yung kanyang quality. The material, the sewing is so good. Kapag i-rate natin ito ng 1 to 10, perfect 10 ang ating ibibigay dahil sa ganda ng kanyang quality and the style. Very sexy. So that is for today for our sexy G-string bikini tong panty. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.